fast subscribe for.
Hey, come on, man. He gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And this video gonna come out first, but it's filmed last. But today is the end of the Cousins Trip 23. And we gonna give y'all a tour of the mansion, cause I ain't do this at first. So we gonna give y'all a tour of the mansion. We got a couple things to do, and we gonna got a whole nother video to shoot before we get up out of here. But as y'all probably already seen, boom, that's the view coming off the porch. That's what you come up. Oh, it's a mountain. Yeah. And then we got the jacuzzi, the hot snub over here. Man, it's this little house over there. They played us with the bears, man. We was looking for the bears, but we ain't get to see one. Somebody had the fake bears out, and they played us. Thought we got to see one, but guess not. Got played.
Gotcha, bitch.
Got the hot tub over here. They had it active last night. Oh, it's nice and toasty in there. Definitely got it nice and toasty in there. They had the lights come on. They got the lights all around the porch. Complete wraparound porch. They go Kiki Asia. What?
Really, nigga?
Rah. Okay. Uh-huh. Y'all see it, cause we was up here kicking it. We was big kicking it. So, you come in here, you got the families. And then you got the living room over here. This is the pull-out couch right here. We had that. We had this on out the way. A big ass TV right there. That's mine. I'll be back, y'all.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. So we back. Yeah, we back in the living room with this big ass TV. I think we only turned it on one time. I think yesterday was the only time that it came on. They got all like Christmas decorations everywhere. The show, they got it. Definitely got it nice and Christmassy up in here. They got it everywhere. Oh, we had, man, we cleared all this out. This was nice and stuffed. We had snacks all in there. The bar was lit. I don't think y'all ain't gonna see how it was set up in this video. Probably gonna see it in one of the other videos though. They got the washer. They got the washer and dryer over here. Bro, it's hella bathrooms in here. Here go one. It's nice and hot. This one the sauna. This bathroom nice and toasty.
Oh, hell no!
There you go. This room with the 3 beds in it, with the bunk bed, with the king size bed with another big ass TV, and then another big ass bathroom. Big dumbass bathroom, nice ass shower in here. This one right here, nice boy. Hey, this was big night, y'all. We had big fun. Big. As y'all can tell, the mic start acting crazy, but man, we gonna keep this tour going. Man, y'all see everything was all wooded up, and they even had the wooden chest in there with the little covers. You know what I'm saying? They had that locked door over there. You know what I'm saying? They go Kiki Asia again. My boy Candoja, you know what I'm saying? And my boy. Hey, man, they went down on that table. That's what I was telling y'all right there. And then when you go up these steps right here, man, you go into another room, man. This room had a sink right there. You know, they had the wood everywhere. Had that big ass king size bed. You know what I'm saying? But you peel back that curtain, nigga. There was a whole nother motherfucking bathroom back there, bro. I'm like, bro, where is all these bathrooms coming from, man? It was crazy. Look at this shower, though. This shower off the chain, for real. I don't know what that little big old space was, you know, but, you know, it is what it is. You know, they had that balcony out there. I don't even think we turned that TV on over there. Oh, yeah, and there go another one of them little what you say? Doors. Y'all ready to do the TikTok ready? We about to do the TikTok dance. So we'll be back in a minute.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so this is downstairs. This is another pull out. It's another one of those secret latch doors that they got in here. Covered that up with a chair.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Another big ass TV with the fireplace, TV stand. They had the cornhole. We didn't get out the cornhole. They had the foosball. We didn't even do the foosball, boy. We was so, man, we had so much fun. We didn't even play the foosball. They even got the arcade game. This arcade game was tripping. The buttons wasn't working on there.
You suck.
Got a whole nother room, full room, king size bed with another big ass TV with a whole dresser. And this bathroom here, big super duper lady, 2 titties. Look at this one. It's lit. Look at this shower though. It's an infinity shower. That motherfucker was litty. Definitely litty with 2 titties. But that's the tour of the mansion, man. Hope y'all enjoy this weekend. And we gonna see y'all.
What's good though? I'm about to go jump. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. For real, if y'all wanna pull up on me, pull up on me. Pull up on me. Pull up, pull up on me. Pull up on me.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell them hoes I ain't playing games.